And can I trust those more?
Whether or not you decide to use an open source model depends on a variety of things. It's definitely more transparent. You can see the code of the model that you're using. You don't necessarily see the training data because you can get the model without getting the training data. So there is some opacity there, but you can see the inputs and the outputs and things like that. You can inspect the model for backdoors, see if there's any callbacks, things like that. Now, on the other hand, by deploying an open source model in your own infrastructure, you're going to assume some of the risk of securing that infrastructure. And misconfiguration is a huge security risk, especially when you're talking about infrastructure as a service. Making the wrong settings on your deployment is a risk to be considered. And then also, how are you going to maintain that from a business perspective? So these are all considerations that organizations should take into account. And it depends on what your requirements are, whether it makes sense to use a proprietary third-party service like OpenAI or Anthropic, or if you want to run an open source model on your own infrastructure.